Well, we're on an install. It's quite a big one. Right now I'm just setting up the fuse board, getting all my Henley blocks and things like that ready for the fuse board to be mounted. And then once I have all this mounted, I'm gonna take the cable, run the cable how the customer's been quoted for it to be run, and mount the charger in the garage. I've got to do some groundworks today, which is not too bad actually. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than what it is, but yeah. I feel like people are understanding when they have the eligibility to be able to have the charger installed at their houses. Why not? It's going to save them money. It's going to save them time as well. Instead of having to go to the petrol station, they can come home and charge, things like that. So I do feel like a lot of people are moving forward with the EV side of things, which is better for the future. The functionalities you get with the Ohme is a lot better than some of the other the charger providers. And I just think Ohme overall is just easier to use, easier to know, work your way around it. And the biggest benefit is they look the best, I think. If I was able to have a charger at my house, I would definitely go with an Ohme, just the functionality wise, looks wise, and just all around practicability, whatever the word is. It's an Ohme Home Pro. It's a 5-meter cable. It's the tethered version. Obviously Ohme provide an untethered version, which is known as the ePod. And to be honest with you, I like both of them. They're both very sleek designs and things like that. But if I was to have a charger installed at my own house, it would definitely be the ePod. I understand why people go for the Home Pro, as there's a cable. You don't have to keep faffing about to get the cable in and out of the car and find somewhere to store the cable. At least with this, it comes with a cable holder, which is safe, especially if, like this customer, he's able to have it in his garage. Maybe it's better to have the screen because you can see everything on the screen. But if you're okay with technology and you don't mind having an app on your phone, an extra app, then I would say go for the ePod.